In a quiet nursery, a soft hum fills the room like a lullaby that dissolves the ache of restless hours. This calming white noise mimics distant ocean waves, masking household sounds and guiding tiny breaths towards steady rhythm. Parents notice longer naps and quicker departures from night wakings as the room stays consistently cozy. The soundscape can be customized with gentle volume and duration, ensuring it becomes a familiar, comforting friend for bedtime. As quiet morning light slips in, the baby remains calm, while caregivers feel confident that a simple, safe ritual supports growth.